Yeah, it helps create liberated CEOs, after spending so much time in the marketing space and watching so many different programs where, they'll stick you in an 8 week, course or 8 week program. And then by week 7, when you're just starting to figure things out, it's over, right? And so I've watched a lot of people do that. And the other thing I've known about a lot of my clients is they're brilliant at what they do. Like they get results, they help a lot of people, they are super talented, but what they don't know is how marketing works. And that is one thing that if you could figure out how to master marketing and sales, you can literally change the game for your business. But if you're brilliant and you still don't know how to get in front of the right people, you don't know how to attract and nurture those relationships so that you can make sales, or what we like to say is you don't have a community of buyers, you can be brilliant as you want, but you will never get the sales. And then you'll either have to go back to a day job, or you'll be stuck where a lot of people, what is the number? 3% of entrepreneurs never make $250,000 a year. And who wants to quit a job to go work in a dead end business? And that's exactly what a lot of people do. So the Liberated CEO Accelerator is about giving people the strategy, the training, the tutorials, and the templates so that they can actually build what we call a client acquisition system, right? We want to help them create a repeatable system for getting clients every single month so they don't ever have to worry where their next clients are coming from.